lang, Mamita said you have a good news. What's the good news meaning? I'm awake now.
Hello, Luching. You will go to Tim Hortons today with Mamita.
Are you sure, Ninang? No more countdown? And today? And today? Like today? Really today?
Are you so excited? Come here, get inside. Get inside. The mosquitoes will come in.
So, I just got back to the condo after ng coffee date with my mom, my sister-in-law, and syempre si Lucho. Nakakapagod. Kahit wala naman akong ginawa. Siguro because lumakad ako ulit and masyado akong maaga gumising. I woke up at 6 a.m. And ayun, lampas 12 hours na akong gising kaya siguro medyo feeling pagod na, bagsak na rin yung mga mata natin. Siyempre napagod sa kalalakad, but that's okay. I had so much fun. Looking forward to the next bonding. Kahit online lang siya, sobrang nakakawala ng stress at nakaka-inspire na pumasok ulit at mag-work ulit para next time may pang treat ulit sa family. So, ayun lang. Until the next video. Bye.